In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Salesforce Trailhead efficiently and securely. Trailhead is a fantastic platform by Salesforce designed to help users learn new skills, earn credentials worthy of your resume, and connect with a passionate community of other trailblazers. Whether you're just beginning your journey or looking to sharpen your skills, accessing Trailhead is your first essential step. So, let's ensure you have a smooth login experience without any hiccups. First, we'll need to access the Salesforce Trailhead website. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser that suits your needs. Once your browser is up and running, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll type in Trailhead Salesforce and hit Enter. This search will provide you with several results, but you're looking for the official Trailhead Salesforce link, which should appear among the top results. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now that you've arrived at the Trailhead homepage, you're ready for the next step, which involves logging into your account. As you look to the top right corner of the web page, you'll notice a login button. Click on this to bring up the login page. If you don't have an account yet, there's also an option to sign up. But for today's purpose, we'll focus on logging into an existing account. On the login page, you'll find two main fields, one for your email or username and the other for your password. Begin by entering your registered email address or username in the first field. It's crucial to ensure you're entering the correct information to avoid any login issues down the line. Many of us juggle multiple email accounts, so double-checking this step can save you from frustration in case you encounter any error messages. Once your email or username is accurately filled out, move on to the next step, which is entering your password. Carefully type in your password, paying close attention to accuracy. Mistyped passwords are a common hurdle when logging into any service. If your password includes both upper and lowercase letters, make sure to replicate this exactly, as passwords are indeed case-sensitive. Once you've verified that both your email or username and password are correctly entered, go ahead and click on the Login button. If everything has been entered correctly, you'll be seamlessly directed to your Trailhead dashboard. Remember, if you encounter any issues logging in, there are password recovery options available directly on the login page, which can guide you through resetting your password or retrieving your username. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to logging into Salesforce Trailhead quickly and efficiently. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to repeat these steps to get comfortable with the process. That's it for today's guide. Happy trailblazing!